that's why. I just got out of work. I got home. We're on our way to pick up Rosie. We're gonna go meet up with Hector, Alec. Hector, you guys met. Alec, you guys have never met. OG ass people will know who Alec is. Like, I'm talking about less than like 100 subscribers type of OG. We're gonna go to the dealership. We're gonna go look around at some bikes. I have a bike in mind that I want to get, and I don't know if I'm gonna buy it today, like right now, or if I'm just gonna look, because it just depends. There's a certain colorway that I want for this bike, and I don't know if they have it in stock or not, so that's why we want to go check. If they don't have it, then so be it. I'll probably save this footage till whenever the video drops of me buying the bike. If they have it today, best believe I'm gonna try to get that shit today. Look at bro. Look at bro looking mad and breathable. Alright. We were thinking of the R7. This is the blue one. This is how the black looks. I wanted the black one. This is an R3, by the way. R7. It's not bad. 11K? I genuinely thought this was gonna be like 18. I don't know why. I thought it was gonna be like towards 18. Rosie and I were talking, and I was just thinking about it. Cause like, I'm not like a speed idiot, right? I don't really get bikes for like the speed. This basically has like the same power as the old 300. But then we started talking, right? Then we started talking about these. ZX6R. It's a nice bike, don't get me wrong. It's a little bit more pricey. It's like $2,000 more. I already saw this, like I already did like a walkthrough around it. I saw like the dash, how everything is like selected through the modes and all that. I was just telling him that like if I get the 600, I don't think I'll ever upgrade to a 1000. I think that the 600 is like fine for me because I don't really chase for like adrenaline, I guess. I just like riding. I like the posture of it too. Like you're not really upright like the 300. Your back is kind of straight up. This one you're more leaned forward. You're into it. We might get the 600, guys. We might get the 600. Guys, we just came back from the dealership. We were there for about a good 3 fucking hours trying to get this shit done. Bike has been bought. It has been acquired. I'm not gonna leak what we got. Sadly, I didn't record much. My phone is like on 10% right now. I didn't really record much in there just because, I mean, one, I didn't know if I was allowed to or not, but it was crazy, bro. I got on the bike. They don't allow test drives, which is kind of lame, but I mean, I understand, you know what I mean? They said if so, you know, one person had to mess it up for everybody. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I got yet. I was stuck between 2 bikes for the longest fucking time. It's already been like a week and a half since I sold my old bike, the old Ninja 300. A lot of memories on that bike, a lot of fucking memories. You know, now we gotta pass down the torch. I was nervous, we pulled the fucking trigger. I'll pick up the video tomorrow after I leave work. Yeah, we'll see how it is, guys. All right, yo, it's the morning after I recorded that last clip. You can see I'm at work. Nervous, man. I couldn't sleep last night. I didn't go to bed till like 2 in the morning. I had to wake up at 6, so I didn't really get that much sleep. That's how hyped we are today. I'll probably record when I leave work. So what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna go home, right? We're gonna meet up with my dad. He's gonna take me to the dealership. That way, when we get there, I can just take the bike and go. I won't lie to y'all, I'm getting tired as fuck. So I'll catch you guys when I'm out of work. Alright, y'all, so we ended up getting the Yamaha R7. Now, it is definitely a big upgrade compared to my old Ninja 300, for sure. I've already ridden it, brand new. I think this shit, like, let's check it out. I think this shit has like 30 miles or like 20 some miles. But look, this R7, sheesh. 32 miles, man. Look at that, holy shit. This bike is fucking nice. I still have the diaper. We might get rid of that. I don't know yet. But I love the bike. Definitely, probably my last forever bike because holy shit, I need a fucking haircut, bro. Holy shit. But I love the bike. Amazing ass bike. Guys, I'm recording on my phone, so quality probably not gonna be the best. I don't have my camera on me. A feature that I really love about the bike, man, is the technology that comes with it. As you guys know, my old bike was a 2015, so there wasn't that much, I guess, technology. A lot of people hate the screens and stuff like this. I actually like it. You know what I mean? I like the newer feel. The fucking brakes, the sensitivity, everything is super, super quick. It's super soft. Braking, I need to get used to braking on this bike because I'm so used to my old bike where I have to put, where I have to press down just a little bit more. But here, man, one little tap, man, this tire's already gonna stop. But man, just look at how it looks. We went with the blue colorway. We originally were gonna go with the Raven Black, the color, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I wanted the blue. I mean, there's reasons. If anything, we can always wrap it. So color isn't really a choice now, I guess. The only thing I would say that I'm gonna be nitpicky about is the rims. Like if these were black, genuinely, this would probably like a perfect for me. I do fuck with the blue. I love this black right here. This shit clean as hell. I don't know, man. Like, I'm still in awe that I can even get this at the age that I am. We came to work out, you know what I mean? I showed Bino, Brandon, the bike. I wanted to show Rosie because he was the first person that I wanted to show because he was the first person that got me into bikes. If you guys don't know, he brought his bike over here, actually, over there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but way the fuck over there. He brought his bike one day. I sat on it, checked it out, fucked with it. I loved it. It was his 2009 ZX6R. Loved it, loved the feel. And ever since he had the 300, bought that off of his brother, boom, 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 and the rest is all story. You know what I mean? The rest is all history. But yeah, man, I wanted to show him, but he had work today, so he wasn't able to come, he wasn't able to make it to work out. He went home to go to bed, which is understandable. He works hella hard all day. And today we hit chest. I wasn't gonna really record it because I just wanted to reveal the bike. I do want to get clips though of me riding the bike, which I'm probably gonna do tomorrow. I'll probably hit up like the mall that's in my area or like a good ass area to shoot videos, just because I want to do this is gonna be the bike review video. I still need to do a 10K special, which I already started editing on. So far, she brought me to tears. By the way, by the time you guys are gonna watch this video, I already hit 10K. Thank you everybody for watching my videos. I love the support. I love every single one of you guys watching this video, who supported me from the past, who support me now. Honestly, couldn't have done all of this without every single one of you, especially you watching right now. It was an emotional. I ended up live streaming the entire thing the moment I hit 10K. If you guys want to watch it, I do have clips up on everywhere, on my Instagram. I don't know if I have the VOD still up here on YouTube. The VOD is up on Twitch, my TikTok, that's everything. I posted it everywhere, man. I fucking loved it. But yeah, by the time you guys watch this video, I'm already at 10K. This is kind of what I wanted to do for the special, but we ended up hitting it before I could get the bike, which is a little bummer, but at the same time, I'm not gonna fucking complain. I just love this bike, bro. I do want to make going over the bike and the specs, but for now, this is probably just gonna be it for the bike reveal. I'm not gonna really get into it, but I will in a future video, because even though this bike has already been through a lot of research, hella videos about it, there are still people that don't know what this bike is capable of. And I want to be able to provide you guys with that insider knowledge, that something to make it easier for you guys, so you guys don't have to read hella forums and shit like that. But this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll bring you guys, hopefully we can get this out by tomorrow when I'm recording, or the following day. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for 10K. Love every single one of you guys, for real, from the bottom of my heart. I mean it. Yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day, night, afternoon, whenever you guys are watching this video. Hope you guys are doing well, and peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.